Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Cecilia Ho. And I'm still on this What is in Your Blender challenge. And today I am making another wonderful detoxifying recipe, which I call Berry Blast Detox Drink. I call this wonderful challenge recipe Berry Blast Detoxifying Drink. So if you want to detoxify your system, you want to lose body fat, you want to lose belly fat, you want to stay fit, you want to glow from inside out, you want to boost your immunity, this is a wonderful detoxifying drink that you need to make. And honestly, I'm telling you, I'm seeing the results. My belly fat is going down dramatically. And also keep in mind that if you want to see a very good result, you have to take this drink in the morning before you eat anything. Or you take the drink at night, 3 to 2 hours after you've eaten a light dinner. That is the time you can see the result of this wonderful recipe, this wonderful detoxifying drink. And to make this berry detox drink today, I will be using some roots and some fruits and some vegetables too, which are very, very good. So let's dive in. For my ingredients today, I have this beetroot. Oh my God, beetroot is very, very good. It can help you to even get rid of some diseases, aging, and all that. And I also learned that it's very, very good for people that have fibroid, that you can actually drink this alone and you get result. It can shrink your fibroid. So I'm using this beetroot, is one of the ingredients that I'll be using today. And here I have cilantro, which has a lot of benefit too. If you take cilantro, it will glow your skin. It will help you to detoxify your system. It will purge you. You will feel so light. It's very, very good. Another ingredient I have is ginger. I don't joke with ginger. It has a lot of anti-inflammatory benefits, which you can never even talk about it enough. So I'm using ginger. And I'm using Activa yogurt. I always go for Activa yogurt because it has billions of live and active probiotic good microbes that our gut needs. And this will help us to aid digestion. It will help you to get rid of belly fat and also to keep stay healthy. And I have parsley leaves. Parsley leaf is also very, very good. It's good for detoxifying the system, and I'm using this parsley leaf today. And I have watermelon here. Watermelon, very, very good. Has a lot of nutrients, benefits, and can also help us to detoxify and lose weight, especially belly fat. And I'll be using these red grapes, and I'll be cutting all those ingredients and blend it with this glass of water. So what I'm doing today is another What is in Your Blender challenge. And I named this challenge, the drink for today, Berry Blast Detox Drink. Let's dive in. You know so much that I love you guys. I appreciate your time. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get more videos about healthy meal, healthy drink that can be of good benefit to our body, so that together we can look young, glow, boost our immunity, and stay healthy. All right, let's dive in. So I have all my ingredients cut and washed and cut, and I'll be starting in the order of softness. So I'm adding the grapes, the red grapes first. And keep in mind, I'm making Berry Blast Detox Drink. So I'll be adding ginger. I also will go ahead and add the parsley leaves. And I think I will add the beetroot. Adding the beetroot. And now I'll add the watermelon. The watermelon. Before I add this, I'm going to add the cilantro leaves. The cilantro leaves. And now I'll add the Activa yogurt. Keep in mind, this is loaded with billions of good markers that our body needs. I'm using 2 Activa yogurts. You can use any yogurt of your choice. So I'll be adding 1 cup of water. And all I need to do is to blend this. Can actually fit this in. So I'll just blend. So I'm blending all the ingredients together. In this cup, I have cilantro, I have parsley, I have Activa yogurt, I have beet root, I have watermelon, I have red grapes, and I have garlic also. I have ginger also. So what I'm making is I'm making berry blast detox drink. And this is very good to lose weight, lose belly fat, stay fit, boost our immunity. So let's blend. So everyone, the Berry Blast Detox Drink, it's ready. And to make this Berry Blast, I use beetroot, ginger, parsley leaves, cilantro, red grapes, watermelon, Activa yogurt, and I blended everything with water. So the Berry Blast Detox Drink, it's ready. And this is very good to lose weight, to get rid of belly fat, and it's also very safe for children and adults. This is very good. So, thank you so much for your time today. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notification each time I do more of this type of elder meal or elder drink. And please don't forget to subscribe and also share this wonderful recipe with your loved ones so that together we can stay healthy, lose weight, glow from inside out, and also boost our immunity. My YouTube channel is Cecilia Oswald, and it's still your girl. I really appreciate your time today, and I love you all. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.